Meaning of direct object.
Direct object.
Direct object.
Direct object.
Direct object. In linguistics, a direct object is a noun or pronoun that receives the action of a verb in a sentence. It answers the question what, or whom, after the verb in a sentence. For example, in the sentence I ate the apple is the direct object as it receives the action of the verb ate. Understanding direct objects is important for constructing clear and concise sentences, and for comprehending complex sentences with multiple clauses. Ultimately, mastering the use of direct objects can lead to more effective communication and writing skills.